Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game, not going to edit it, and I'm going to do my best to explain what I'm thinking, and hopefully we'll have a little bit of a challenge here. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I like to go for the columns. There's only one move right now. Let's see, ace. I'm going to play that. Now, this is a tricky spot. I'm going to bring the 2 down, but it's maybe 1 in 3 chance I could bring it back, because sometimes this card can bottleneck, but it is an important column. So we'll just leave it at that for now. Let's see what we have here. Nothing in the draw pile yet. There's a 4. Now I can't play that. Oh, we can play this queen. We're not going to play it yet. We're going to use it as insurance and see if we can come up with something else. The good news is once we play the queen, the 7 will drop, so we can play the 7. And we are going to play these aces, though. We're going to play the ace. We will play this jack, I think, and then play the ace hearts there. That is very good because that allows us to play this 2 of spades up. And that means that we can ignore that little speech we had about the 2 of spades. Sometimes it blocks, sometimes it doesn't. It depends. In this case, not so much. Actually, we can play a bunch of cards here. Play 2 of hearts. We can play the 4, and now we can play the 7. Oh, boy. He might be in trouble, because that's the queen. If there was no more moves in front of that, I think we might be done. Unless there's like a 6. If there's a red 6, I think, or if there's a jack. If there's a 6 or a jack, we're still in it. I can't remember in the front. Oh, no, there's a few cards back here. But there's a black jack, which we don't want to play. So we can't play the 4, can't play the 7. We can play the 6. Oh, good, good. We're still in the game. If this 6 wasn't here, we're done. So that's very good for us. We're going to play the 6, and we're going to see if we can make another move or 2. We may play all 3 of these cards. We may play 1 of these cards. We may, I don't know yet. I'm definitely going to play this 5 right here. 2 of clubs. Okay, we'll play that up top. 6 of clubs. That's interesting. Now, do we want to play this 10? Do we not? I don't know yet. I'm going to go back a little bit and see. I'm just going to see what we have here. Just trying to keep a mental note. So we got a 4 of spades. We can't really do anything with that. 7 of diamonds. 6 of 4. So we got 2 black 4s. And nothing I can specifically think of here. So let's play the 6, play the 5, and we'll play the 2, of course. Let's see, there was a 6 behind that and a 5. We'd like to drop the red 5, the 5 of diamonds, I believe, and then we can play this one of these 4s. I think there's a 4 in front of that, actually. So we're only going to play this 10. We're going to keep our fingers crossed so we can move this 3 at a later time period. So the next move is going to be this 5 of diamonds, I believe, because we played 2 cards in front of that. And we need to figure out a way to open up one of these columns so we can move this king over. That's the goal. So yeah, we could. This 4 of spades could be moved. That could be our first card or insurance card. So that could be really good if we can get to that spot. Let's see, so 5. And then we could go 4 and 3. So we move the black 4, we can move this red 3 underneath it. So that's going to be the play going forward here. We're not going to move this 4 of clubs. And let's just see if there's another move that I may have missed. So that 4 is probably going to be the first play. Not this 4, but the other one. Because anytime you have 2 cards at the same, this in the 4 of spades, you're always going to want to play the card. Well, about 90-95% of the time, you're going to want to play the 4 spades in the front because it has more value, but sometimes there's exceptions to that. So nothing there. Going to click undo to the very front of the draw pile, and this is where we either continue or don't. So 4 spades there. We move the 3 of diamonds over. That's a 2 of diamonds, and that's kind of one of those cards where you're like, I don't know. I think if there was a black 3, we could move this 2 of diamonds. We want to get it out of there. And obviously, an ace of diamonds would be a good card, too. Oh, we can move this 9 next time. That's 9 is great. See this 9 is clubs right here? That's a great card because if you'll notice, there's 2 8s right here. We can move either one of those 8s under the 9 when it goes over here. So that'll keep us in the game, and that may, yeah, that may. You get it down there, we should be able to continue on. I don't know if we'll be able to solve this or not, but that'll definitely improve our chances. We can also move the 3 hearts as well, and I think, yeah, so that's the goal going forward anyway. So not going to play the 9 yet. We're going to play this 3 of hearts. And let's see, 6 of hearts, can't play. Don't think we can play any of these other cards, I believe. Oh, there's a 5 of spades already. So I believe this 9 is going to be the play. Yeah, 9's going to be the play here. And again, this game is going to come down to if one of these 8s gets us a move with this king or something. Otherwise, we're done. So let's move the 8 of diamonds first and find out what's under there. 3 of clubs. There's 2 options here with this card. One is to put it up. One is to do what we did right there. That gives us the king, so we can move this queen here. That's still going. That moves gets us to there. Let's just see how this plays out. There's an 8 and a 7. 8, 7, 6. So that gives us a king. But what's important about that is that means that's going to be our option because we really wanted to move this king in the first place. And because we can move it, that gives us our option. Now we're kind of in another dilemma here. One move is to simply go right here. And then we can move this king. And the 5 of hearts happens to be right here. That could mean that we're not going to solve it. That could potentially mean that. Yeah, it may not. I don't think, no. I see some moves here. I take that back. I apologize. There's a couple different moves, but what we're not going to do, what we typically would do is play this 4 of clubs right here. Not going to do it this time. There is a move I see. We can open up 2 columns and keep this game going. If you'll notice, there is a 4 of hearts and a 4 of diamonds. Okay? Why is it important? Because there's a 3 of clubs underneath there. And if you'll further notice, there's a 4 of hearts that can go up top. All we need to do is move this 3 of clubs right here. Now we free up the 4 of hearts. Now we free up the 5 of hearts. But, unfortunately, that does not... I mean, we got the king here, but we haven't opened up... We need to open up another column, basically. So, don't know yet. Maybe undoing that and trying a different variation. So that got us in the same spot. Interesting. So we need to find another move, basically. Let's go back a little bit here. So another option was to bring this 4 of clubs down. But then we're kind of at... We need to move one of the 4s up. We can't really move spades up. I don't think there's a 3 of spades here anywhere. So that option doesn't work. We have a blackjack, but we don't have anything to move. Let's see, a blackjack. Do we have a red 10? We do have a red 10. So another option potentially could be the blackjack, but I don't know. I can't remember how far back that other blackjack was. What I mean by is we could swap this blackjack for the one over there. Potentially, I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be a viable move. So we have the queen and that jack. So, okay. I don't know if that's going to be viable. So the other option we had was just to play this 3. We don't play the 2. We still play the 4, and then we can move this queen here. I think that may have been what we did, or a different variation of that. But then we could still bring this 3 and then move the 2 of diamonds. So now we have the 2 kings here, right? We just need to open up one of these columns so we can move one of those kings over, I think. So 8, 7, 6. So yeah, we're back to kind of square one, but not really square one. So we tried. I think we tried this king first, right? That gives us the jack. Oh no, that didn't. That gave. Oh, that gives us a lot of moves right there. That was the move we're missing. So now we can move this 9 over as well, and of course we move this queen and this king here. Then we can move the 5. Oh boy. We got all 4 kings down, but then we're still a little tied up here. I think we can move this jack down, right? If we can move the jack down, we can move the red 10 and the 9, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh boy. I'm going to have to figure out a way to get one move in. I'm going to have to backtrack. I think this jack needs to go here. And we need to be able to get a card down. So we can't move the 4 to 5. Wait, maybe let's go back to let's go back to here. And let's see if we can do it this way. I'm going to move this 4 right here. Now this jack should fall. So we're going to move this jack right here. Okay. And now we're going to come back. The next time around, this red 10 should be in the very front. We move that there. And right now, we keep our fingers crossed that there is a good card underneath the 9 of spades. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't underneath that column. Let's find out. Ace of diamonds, that's good. That's a really good card. Okay, we're going to play that. And we can play this jack here. Now we can play the 7 of spades. We can play the 3 of spades. We're just going to play all these cards up until we can't. Or we solve the game. So 2 of diamonds up, 3 of diamonds. I'll play clubs, 3 of clubs, 4 of clubs. We get the 5 of hearts back up there. That's good. It doesn't really matter if we move that. Let's move the diamond, 4 diamonds. Let's move the club. Let's see, 6 of spades is there. Oh, 4 of spades we can move up. Let's move the 5 of diamonds and 6 of diamonds up. We're going to move clubs, 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs. We're going to bring the spade down. We're going to bring this spade down to the column. 5 of spades, 6 of hearts, and 7 of diamonds. And we figured out how to solve it. So that's one of those, yeah, that's one of those tricky ones where you got to kind of look through and try to say, okay, I got this move. I don't have this move, but this move affects. It gets a little complicated. Hopefully, I didn't talk too fast. I tried to think it through as best I can, and was able to get it done there, and hopefully able to teach you a trick or two. And again, that's going to wrap this up. I am signing out. I would like to thank you for watching. Wish you good luck, and just remind you that if you need more specific tips, I would highly recommend checking out the Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. It's going to take a little time. It's like 36 minutes long, but it's got a bunch of stuff in there. I basically saved games from several months of play and resaved some other games and tried to put the best examples I could think of to try to help you get better. Once again, thank you for watching and good luck.